Hey guys, my name is Lauren King, Ellekae, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how I got this pop of pink eyeshadow look. It was actually inspired by Kylie Jenner. It's a look she wore on the Astroworld tour. It's basically really matte skin, a bright pop of pink in the inner corners, and then really pink blush and pink lips. It's just soft and cute and a little bit edgy. So if you want to see how I got this look, keep watching. So I've already started with my complexion and my eyebrows, and now I'm just gonna jump straight into eyeshadow. I'm gonna start by mixing two sort of taupey, cooler shades. I don't have the exact same palette that Kylie Jenner has because I don't own anything from Kylie Cosmetics, but we're just gonna make do anyway. I'm gonna go in with my trusted Pixie palette. This is called It's Eye Time, and it's honestly one of my favorites. So I'm gonna go in and I'm going to mix this shade and just put that right in my crease. And now I'm just going to blend that out a little bit. These are both super matte shades. I want to keep everything on my face as matte as possible. So now I'm going to go in with a more precision brush, and I'm going to take this color and just go into the crease a little bit more to define it more, because this is what Kylie did. Just really putting that in there. So now I'm going to do eyeliner, but it seems like she used brow pomade as her eyeliner. So I'm gonna go in with the same product I filled my eyebrows with, and I'm just going to take that on an angled brush and then do a really soft, tiny little winged liner. I definitely am more used to doing liquid eyeliner, so this should be interesting. Now I'm gonna go in with the same two colors, mix them again, and then just dab them on with a little pencil brush to smoke out my under eye area. It looks like Kylie Jenner has a really vibrant baby pink just in her tear duct. I feel like my colors might not be light enough or bright enough, so I'm gonna spritz my brush with a little bit of hydrating essence mist, but you can use water too. And what this is going to do is just make the eyeshadows more pigmented. So if you ever have an eyeshadow and you want it to have better color payoff, then just get your brush wet. So I'm gonna start with this color. It seems a little bit lighter. I love that it's matte. So I'm just gonna put this generously on my brush and then tap it in like right here and right here. I'm nervous. I'm like double checking hers, and it looks like she went pretty hard with it. I'm actually gonna take some of my blush. I was gonna use this to have really pink cheeks and match, but I think I'm actually gonna just repurpose this and do a second layer with this since it's a little bit brighter. I think more true to her shade. That's super cute. And now I'm just blending out any harsh lines.
Digits on the beat.
And now I'm gonna go in with my Charlotte Tilbury full fat lashes. I have a lash lift, so I don't need to curl. If you wanted this to be more dramatic, you could curl your lashes or put strip lashes on. Now I'm going in with a really pink blush, the same one that I use to sort of coat my tear ducts. And now I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna try to be pretty light-handed with this. And now for my highlight, I'm going in with Becca, and this is a shimmering skin perfector in shade Opal, and I'm going to apply it kind of conservatively. Again, I don't really want too much shimmer in this look. And a little bit on my nose, and my cupid's bow. So for my lips, I'm going to line them using my current fave. This is the Charlotte Tilbury in Pillow Top. I'm just gonna go over them with my lip liner, and then I'm going to mix 2 shades of nude. And starting with the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in shade Athens. And I'm gonna go over that with MAC in Cream Cup. And this I'm gonna concentrate mostly in the middle just to give it sort of a plumper look. And that's it for this look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this matte look with a bright pink pop of color inspired by Kylie Jenner. If you guys want to see more videos like this where I recreate a celebrity's makeup, please let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll see you next time. I'm awkward and there's lipstick on my teeth.